Hello children, welcome to Orchid School. I am Miss Nuzat, class teacher of Standard 1st. Children, which picture is this? Can you all guess which season is this? Yes, this is a rainy season. Children, do you all like rainy season? Yes, you all like rainy season? Yes. What are the children doing, children? They are playing in the water. Yes. So today's topic is rain. So today we will do the poem Rain. Subject English. Topic Rain. Rain is falling all around. It falls on the field and trees. It falls on the umbrellas here and on the ship at sea. Come on, children, we will repeat together. Repeat after me. We will sing the poem Rain. Rain is falling all around. It falls on the field and trees. It falls on the umbrellas here and at the ship at sea. Look and say. Come on, children, you'll have to repeat after me. R-A-I-N, rain. F-A-L-L-I-N-G, falling. A-R-O-U-N-D, around. F-I-E-L-D, field. T-R-E-E, tree. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A-S, umbrellas. S-H-I-P, ship. S-E-A-C. Thank you, children.